if you've been following my channel for a little while, you know that I just did my massive 2-part declutter videos, 1 and 2. I do have all of the products laid out. I'll put a picture up above. There are a lot. My sister has agreed to help me with this endeavor. And so we have to do a couple of things. We have to take pictures of each item. We have to price them. I have to figure out how the whole Patreon thing works. There's a way to put up all your things that you're selling. I just haven't figured it all out yet. So this video is going to go up like the 3rd week in January or something like that. I don't see the sale going live until February because it's just going to take a while to do all of this. So I just wanted to give you all a heads up about that. It is coming. The way it's going to work is that I'll have it over on my Patreon page and it will go up and then you can shop the sale. I'll make sure that I alert everyone when the sale is going to go live. Again, I don't have dates right now. I don't have specifics. So I just wanted to give a heads up about that because I'm getting lots and lots of questions ever since the declutters, and it's coming. The sale is coming. All right. So now that I've done this declutter, and I actually have a lot more to do, I'm still working through like a bunch of things to figure out what else is going to be in the sale, and my clothing and a whole bunch of other stuff. But anyway, once, I've already started all this process, the question comes, what am I going to be purchasing next for the new things that have come up? So we're going to go through today some of the new releases, things that are popping up, and we'll talk about, really what my plans are to purchase on the channel. I will tell you though, yes, I am going to be more deliberate. I am going to be more discerning about what I pick up. So it's really important to get your feedback about what you'd like to see. I'm going to continue to do polls and ask questions about what you guys want. I know Chanel and Dior are at the top of those lists, not to worry. But as we go through things, if there's something like that you think I'm not going to pick up or I say I'm not going to get, and all of you want me to get it, you got to make sure you let me know in the comments below. All right, so let's get started. You've never seen one of these before. Basically what I do is I have a couple of people that I follow on Instagram, and I will have their names down below in the description box. And I go to their Instagram feeds and basically look up, what they've posted in regards to new sneak peeks, what's coming, all that good stuff. So let's take a look here. I'm going to start with Tavia's page, Chic Profile Official. I think this is like her 4th iteration. She keeps getting her channel taken down for putting up things that are released, but they say they're not. Yeah, that's why I have Patreon in the first place, because, it gets to Suku. I haven't really mentioned Suku Spring. Suku Spring 2024, it launches on the 26th, which is today? I don't know. It's this week when this video goes up. But I think that's only at Selfridges. I don't think it's in February. I don't think it's at Harrods until February. I get my stuff from Harrods. So that's coming. There are new moisture lipsticks. I am picking up some of those. There are nail polishes. I'm not getting any of those. There are liquid luster eyes. There are 3 shades. I am getting those. I'm not getting any of the blushes. There are 2 blushes, and there are 2 eyeshadow quads, which I am getting. So I'm getting the eyeshadow quads. I'm getting a couple of lipsticks, and the luster eyes, and that's it from that collection. Usually I get everything from Suku, but again, gotta tamp this stuff down, guys. Dior, the only thing that I'm still waiting for is the Latier Mauve Creamy Powder Palette. It's the one with the, the dress embossings on there. If that comes to the United States, I'll get it. I'm not going to go out of my way to get it, but if it comes here, I'll get it. So one is the Iconic Smoke Eye Color Quad Cream. And what I'd say is that there are 2 actually. There's the smoky one and then the other one, and I'll find the other one and make sure that the picture's up and the number. But I will get those. The Tom Ford cream formulas are my favorite formulas from Tom Ford. I will buy them. I don't know. Ember Bronze is the other one. Sorry, number 46, Ember Bronze. I don't know if these are going to be good. I really don't. I mean, I've seen some swatches, but I don't know if these are going to be good or what. I mean, we'll see. But I do like the cream formula, so I'm going to pick them up, and I will certainly let you know. Dior again. So the Dior Forever Glow Maximizers, the pictures that I have up. I do have the bronze and the white. I want to still get the pink one. When I did the video of me doing all of the like primers, glowy primers, I was comparing it to the new Chanel. Those were the two that I had over on Patreon and I didn't have here on YouTube. So if you go over, I'll transfer it over so you guys can see it. But I will have videos with those coming up, and I do like them. I think the white is very sparkly. The bronze is too deep for me. I can use it as like kind of like around, again, I'll have videos with it, but it's definitely going to be better for somebody who has a deeper skin tone. The pink one, I definitely want to pick up, the light pink. So when it comes to the US, I will get it. So I have the pearl and the bronze. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury, new Hollywood beauty icon lipstick, kissing and matte formula. I love the kissing formula. The matte formula before Lisa Eldridge existed was my favorite. I am tempted to pick up one of the new kissing lipsticks and one of the new liners. And the shade, I think, was something Icon. If I can remember, I'll have it go up. But I do think that was one that I would enjoy. But again, because I've been trying to cut down on things, and Charlotte Tilbury is not the top of the list, you guys let me know if you think that's something you want to see. Tom Ford Slim Lipsticks, satin finishes. Yes, I will pick up one or two. I'm not really sure about what shades, to be honest with you, that I want to get right now. Looking at these shades, I would say probably 100 and 154, maybe 155. Those are the ones that kind of call out to me. But again, you know, they're not here yet. So I don't know. But hopefully coming soon, and we can see them. Hermes has Spring Summer Collection 2024. The nail polishes are already available. I've seen them at Saks. Orange, Ultraviolet, and Blue Electrique. I'm not getting any of those. The lipsticks, Rose Pop, Orange Neon, and Rouge Cinétique. I'm not getting any of those. They're very bright. They're just not me. You know, just not getting them. Louboutin has a new fluid foundation. I just don't feel like I need a fluid foundation. I have plenty of foundations. Again, if it's something that you want me to try, let me know, because Louboutin is definitely a luxury brand. If it is something you're interested in me getting and trying out, I will. But at the moment, it's not on my list. Clé de Peau. Clé de Peau has their new Diamond Class Lipstick Luxury. I am going to get one. They're very, very expensive. They're $110. So I haven't figured out what shade yet, but again, I'm only going to get one because it's, I was about to say, it's a ridiculous amount of money for a lipstick. But I will try it for you guys and let you know. They also have their new eyeshadow singles. I am not much of an eyeshadow single person. I used to be. I used to really like to have just like a single shadow, but it's just not me. It's not something I really do very often. So again, I don't think I'm getting those. I just, you know, I have plenty of eyeshadow. In fact, I've just decluttered even more of it. Pat McGrath Heart's Desire Collection for Valentine's Day. Nope, I'm not getting that. Burberry Beyond Wear Setting Refining Powder. It looks, I like the way they did it. I think it's really cute, and I like the Burberry packaging, but no plans to pick that up. Natasha Denona Berry Pop Collection, Cream Blush, Tinted Glow Base, Dream Glow Highlighter. I love my Dream compact with the three, the blush, the liquid, cream blush, and then the highlighter, but I have no plans to pick up this one. It's a deeper, redder shade, and it's not something I would want. The Guerlain Tinted Kiss Kiss Be Glow Lip Oil, that might be something I actually get. I love a good lip oil, as all of you know who've watched me for a while. The question is the shades. I don't know. I don't know what shades, so you guys let me know about that one. Valentino. 4 new shades have been released at Sephora. I am definitely going to get 1 or 2 of these because I really like the Valentino. I only have 1 Valentino lipstick, and I really like the formula. I think I'm going to wait, though, for the Sephora sale. Hopefully they're still there. Sonia G. Kayaki brushes. I've gotten a lot of questions if I'm going to pick any of these up. Guys, I really don't plan to pick up any more brushes right now unless they're really, really unique. The hairs in here are Seikoho Goat. I have, if you watch my brush video, I have so much of that. I don't need any more. And although Sonia G is one of my favorite brush designers, creators. I just don't need any more. So for me, I'm only picking up brushes that are very, very unique or rare from this point on, unless of course I need to replace a brush, or, you know, I need to get a backup of something that I feel like I'm not gonna, you know, is wearing out for some reason. But other than that, no, no more, you know, regular brushes. Clé de Peau also has pressed powder, matte finish with a soft glow. Don't need any powder. Yves Saint Laurent, another powder containing 90% natural skincare active ingredients. I don't need powder, just not a thing I need. Let's see, La Bouche Rouge is releasing a mascara. I might pick that up. I might try it. It's interesting. It's in a glass bottle, which I like. So I might try that. I don't really love the way the wand looks, to be honest with you, but that might be something that I try. There's the Nomadic Glam collection from Florasis, and they have actually sent me this collection. So I will be doing a review. It looks really cool. I like the designs very much. And then Chantecaille has their Sea Turtle collection. I will be picking that up and reviewing that as well. So that's coming. I think that's it. There's actually a lot of new releases. There's a lot coming out there that I'm probably not picking up. So again, as I went through those things, if there was something that, you know, you were like, oh, I absolutely want to see that, like the Louboutin foundation, let me know. And I am going to be having videos coming up with all of the Hermes, so you can see the differences between those, the different ones. There's one that I don't have. It's like the orangey one. I might pick that up actually, just so I have all of them. And I will do the same with Prada. Once I have all the Pradas, I'm still trying to figure out if I can get the ones that have the embossing on it. If I can, then the ones that I already have, I will sell as part of my sale. I just haven't gotten that clarification just yet. So more videos coming about some updates on everything and some new releases, some, you know, videos about like the best cool eyeshadows, the best warm, top Chanel, blah, 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 blah. It's all coming, but I had to get through the declutter first. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope to see you in another video really soon.